You should also try that if you guys kasi medyo kinabahan ako kasi I'm so shy pa na. So, let's go! Hi darling, so I'm here at a cafe that I've been wanting to try matagal na and finally I'm trying it now. Actually, I'm really amazed with the place. I'm impressed kasi super ganda niya, super aesthetics. Okay na okay sa mga gustong, go to a cafe and you know what I mean. Yan. So ako ang dala ko lang now ay my iPad, my mini notebook and a pen. I have a very big bag pala. Ito ngayon ko lang ulit ginamit to. Actually, this vlog will be an interesting one kasi I've been wanting to go on a date with myself. So now I am trying it. I am all dressed up. Naka-dress pa ako. And later, I'll be siguro sleeping in hotel. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan kasi wala pa akong contact na okay. Pero yon. So this vlog is about myself trying the things that I've been scared of trying. Pero now, I'm trying it. So, ako ngayon sa second floor nila and nag-order ako ng foods na makikita nyo later. Hindi ko pa sure kung I will write sa journal ko or manonood na lang ako. I don't know. Should I get my journal? Siguro mamaya-maya. Yes po. Thank you. Foods are here and medyo bumubulong ako guys kasi I'm shy. At saka ako na lang ata yung tao dito sa cafe nila. Okay. But it's still 8:22 naman and hanggang 10 daw sila open. So I have a chocolate cake. I have siomai, caramel latte, and fries. It's my first time trying cheese fries. So let's eat. So I'm finally here in the hotel. This is quite far kasi kabilang bayan siya. And sobrang bait ng mga staff nila, even their bodyguard who helped me carry my things all the way up. So this is so nice actually. It's my first time being here and matagal ko nang gustong i-check out tong hotel na to. Very wide for one person. Tagalog movies again, default yan. Because ayaw kasing gumana nung Netflix and I don't know why. I am sucker for Tagalog movies talaga. Spacious parking lot, however, medyo kinabahan ako kasi ang taas niya and my car is just super kinabahan ako doon. Pero what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unpack my things. Ang una ko kasing ginawa humiga. Here are my essentials like for journaling and of course my iPad. Sinarge ko na rin yung pen ko. I'm gonna edit siguro para productive pa rin tong vlog na to. First, hindi mawawala ang aking vanity. Sinatap ko na dito yung mga makeup ko. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung bag kasi hindi rin naman ako ganun magtatagal. And also, I have here the skincare. Yung skincare lang yung in-unpack ko. Yung mga other things ay nandun na sa CR. So, that's it. Siguro, mag-ano lang ako ngayon. Mag-shower na siguro or manonood muna, ganun. And yeah, that's it.
Just try to catch the sunset.
I know a peachy outer.
Hi, so it's already 12:15 p.m. and nag-extend ako. Dapat actually 11 yung out ko, but I extended for 3 hours. Right now, I just finished dressing up and nag-get ready with me rin ako. Panoorin niyo na lang sa TikTok ko. I'm still thinking if I'm gonna eat here sa restaurant nila or I'll just go out. Hintayin ko na yung out ko, which is 2 p.m. So I'm still not sure. But right now, I'm still watching Modern Fam or ililigpit ko na yung mga gamit and manonood na lang ako dito sa TV. Or kaka-chat pa lang na di raw magpaakyat ng food. So maybe that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm still gonna check if ano yung meron sila. So I've decided na wag nang kumain dito kasi ilang oras na lang din. I still need to pack all of my things. So siguro yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Magpapack ako ng things and maybe I'll check out earlier than expected because may pupuntahan pa ako. So let's go! Hi darling! So I'm finally here at the car. Paalis na ako, nag-check out na ako, and I am going back to Etchage now. So let's go! So, I'm already done eating. Hindi na ako nakapag-talk doon or nakapag-mic kasi marami ring tao. So, right now, feeling ko, ang mga gagawin ko pa is siguro magsisave more pa ako cause I'm gonna buy Cetaphil. Ubus na yung Cetaphil ko. And also, pupunta ako sa kapatid ko kasi kailangan niya ng money. Nasira yung Gcash niya. So, let's go to her. Hindi lang ako makapag-vlog while driving kasi I don't have anywhere to put this DJI na kampante akong di siya malalaglag. And you know, DJI super duper duper delicate. Kaya I don't wanna risk it at all. Mag-retouch na ako konti dito. Sana ako mag-retouch sa loob. However, maraming tao sa CR. So, hindi ko na tinuloy. Hi darling. So, I don't know if this is a good setup cause madilim. Pero ayan. I am finally home. Nakita niyo naman, I had a date with myself. And I'm so happy I got to do that again. And ang saya talaga ng ganon. You should also try that if you have time. Of course, resources and all. Kasi it's really therapeutic, I can say. And I also drove all by myself. So talagang ang saya lang. Now, aakyat na ako and siguro tutuloy ko na yung pinapanood ko.